Hey, inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners. I'm here talking about Kansas City today. Now, I know Kansas City is known for barbecue and, Midwest culture, agriculture, automotive, right? Things we think of the Midwest. But you would actually be wrong if you only thought that's what it was. There are five amazing groups here in Kansas City that I've been blown away with for inventors, entrepreneurs, and those in high-tech industries right here in Kansas City. The first one blew me away is ICKC. This is the Inventors Center for Kansas City. It's a nonprofit. They've been around for years, and you've got to check them out. They support inventors by having networking events and educating, both on technical and on business management side. It's a huge place, wonderful opportunity. If you're a new inventor, new business owner, I encourage you to go check out ICKC. Four others, these are wonderful. Digital Sandbox KC. This helps early stage startups get funding and get that initial first angel or seed stage funding round to get that next step to be able to develop your product, maybe even manufacture a first batch and go to market. Launch KC is a wonderful organization of angel investors, VCs, those are looking to put in big money for high growth companies in this area. And then the last couple at the university, UMKC Innovation Center. This is a great place to go if you have more technical, more research-based innovations. Wonderful institution, as well as the Innovation Center with an E. It's an incubator. So they do theirs a little different. They'll actually bring you in and have you part of a group, a cohort, and you navigate as you grow, and they'll inject capital. They'll provide all the resources for professionals, including legal, as well as business and marketing, and even manufacturing as well. So check out some of these resources. Know that here Bold Patents is here to help you in Kansas City connect with some of these organizations, learn as you go, and make sure you're protecting your invention along the way. So get hold of us. Let's do some research, find out if what you've got is patentable, and then find out if we can move forward and help you get patent pending. So give us a call, reach out, book a discovery call today. I'm JD Hoovener, owner, founder of Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.